Kev G, weather overview. Happy Father's Day to one and all. If you're remembering your dad today or if you're spending time with the old man, enjoy it no matter which way it's going today. And I think for the overall day, I think we're okay weather-wise, but as we get toward late afternoon and early evening, we're going to see scattered thunderstorms, and they're going to move through the entire area, it looks like. So the better chance for the thunderstorms are going to be west of the Hudson River, but I think everybody has a shot. And based on the information from NOAA, this is their Facebook page, like them on Facebook and Twitter, I think they have a good handle on things as we go through the basically the majority of the week. Daily chances for showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be difficult to predict, but the culprit is going to be this frontal boundary that's basically going to sit very close to the tri-state area. When you have that situation in the summertime, with all this warm air and humid air trying to come up from the south, any type of disturbance that rides along that front, it's going to trigger showers and thunderstorms. So if you're a fan of thunderstorms, you got a lot of opportunities this week, and I'm talking to myself right now, but you have a lot of opportunities this week to maybe see some action. So we'll take a look at it. Now, when we take a look at the overall precipitation the next 5 to 7 days off the Weather Prediction Center, you can see the axis of heaviest rain runs from about eastern Oklahoma through the Central Plains, the Ohio Valley, and into southern Pennsylvania, eastern Pennsylvania, and parts of the tri-state area. So it's a big, long axis of heavy rain that's going to be developing over the next few days. That's not to say that it's going to rain the entire time, but this is the cumulative effect of the next 5 to 7 days. And a lot of places will see well over an inch of rain when all is said and done, and perhaps locally much higher, because any one of these thunderstorms can drop a significant amount of rain, especially the further west you go. So when we break it down for the day by day, I think it's the overall predictability of the forecast is going to be low. And that's because, the models are going to have a tough time handling these small disturbances that ride along the frontal boundary. So, for example, this afternoon, the NAM model has just a general threat for showers and thunderstorms around 4 o'clock. And then that spreads to the east of the region, and then we're sort of done with it for the end of for the rest of the night. So expect a chance of showers and thunderstorms to be moving through in the late afternoon and early evening today. Most of the day is fine. And as we get into Monday, we're pretty much high and dry, but then by afternoon and evening, southern areas can expect perhaps a shower or thunderstorm. The GFS model is a little bit more aggressive, though, with tomorrow night. So when we flip over to the GFS and see what it's doing for Monday, this is Monday afternoon off the GFS. It has a break, and then by nighttime, it has more showers and thunderstorms moving through in a more robust manner. So I would plan for a higher chance of rain once again moving in for Monday night into Tuesday morning, and that may linger into part of, a good part of Tuesday morning, especially for eastern areas, and then a short break before another area of showers and thunderstorms moves through for Wednesday, and this could be rather persistent. I think Wednesday looks like the most rain that we get. It looks like, based off the last few model runs. And the GFS wants to keep it unsettled into Friday. So it does give us a break on Thursday, but it keeps us unsettled into Friday. And then we sort of break down the overall weather pattern as we go into the weekend. Again, I really want to stress that the further off in time we go, especially with the setup that we have now, the predictability of the forecast becomes that more problematic. So I'm very confident with the overall details through Wednesday. But then Thursday, Friday, I'm not so sure here because the model may be overestimating or underestimating the amount of precipitation with respect to that front that we were talking about. But my guess is that based on the overall, just based on everything that's going on here, that next weekend looks to be okay. I think that we'll break down the pattern by about Friday, and I'm optimistic for the weekend. But overall, it's an unsettled pattern. There's going to be a lot more cloud cover this week than there was last week. Temperatures will be okay. They'll be in the 70s, but that daily risk of showers and thunderstorms is going to persist through much of this week.